So as you can see from my background, hopefully kita yung background na mountainside to. So you have an amazing view from an amazing property itself. And the house is very relaxing, it's quiet, and subdivision is quiet. So what I'm trying to say is you have a good family home here in a mountainside subdivision. So it feels like a vacation or a home away from home, except you actually get to live here. It's pretty cool. And there are a lot of cool features about this home. We're starting off on a road that is sloping. So yung terrain mismo ng property, as you can tell, diba, iba siya. And they've had to flatten it, of course, para diba, level naman yung flooring. But then your driveway is gonna show that slope. So it's yung incline dito sa left, mas malaki than here in the middle portion. But that adds to the appeal of it, especially because it kind of shows off the fact that you're in a mountainside home. Okay, so on the right side, you have your front yard. Not many houses actually have a front yard. And then here on the left side, you have your driveway leading up to the carport. The driveway itself can hold 2 vehicles. And I love the material that they used. So obviously this is for traction, so hindi magro-roll off yung kotse nyo. Not that it would in the first place, but it's just nice, you know? And then beyond your manual gate, not decorative by the way, you have access to your 2 vehicle car slots. It is very spacious though. Meron ka pang space dito sa right side nyo. And you can probably park smaller vehicles there as well. Either subcompact sedans or like motorcycles, multiple of them. You can still fit that there. Or you can fit the caddy because the caddy is actually included in the property. So, and we are near a golf course, so it's gonna come in really handy. So yeah, this is your front, or this is your facade. You also have access to the service area and staff area on the left. And then you have a set of stairs here on the right that's gonna lead you to the second as well as 3rd floor or mezzanine. Okay, so you have 2 steps up here that lead to your lanai or your outdoor receiving area. And it's just a nice place to hang out in, especially because of the ceiling fan. So it's very chill. Then again, you have a view of the mountains from here. And then of course you have your main entrance, which are grand doors or double doors. Let's open one side. And as you enter, you will be welcomed into your indoor receiving area. So those are glass sliding doors. You can also open that up. So if you had more guests, maybe you were having a party, especially at night, you can have an indoor-outdoor situation or a party. And why do I say that this is just your receiving area? Because this isn't your living room. You're gonna see where it is later. So from here, you have access to a powder room that's just 2 steps down. And you'll notice that the powder room itself also has 2 doors. Like it swings open. So, bakit ba hindi ko na ipakita, diba? Yan. So, ang cute, diba? And then you have your sink and then your toilet behind this door. So, very adorable powder room door. And then over here, you have your kitchen with lots of storage. You have your built-in sink, of course, and your induction stove and oven. And then your appliances are hidden here, your microwave and your toaster oven. And then this is your breakfast nook. That's right, this isn't your dining table. This is just the breakfast nook. You also have sliding glass doors over here. So again, if you were to have an indoor-outdoor party where you have people sitting there by the lanai and then some people here by the breakfast nook or like preparing food, madali. You have an elevator in the middle of your stairs. And then over here, we have another set of double doors, or actually 1.5 doors. And this one leads to the entertainment room. Huge TV. You have the furniture facing the TV already. By the way, the furniture here is included, as well as, of course, all the built-ins. But yeah, this could be a bedroom if you needed it to be a bedroom here on the ground floor. But again, since there is an elevator, but then among anyone like seniors or anyone who could be differently abled and have trouble going up the stairs could definitely use the elevator instead. But again, in case you needed a bedroom here on this level, meron. It's just that right now it's currently set up as an entertainment room. But this is the ensuite toilet and bath, and it's very spacious. You have wardrobe here on this side, you have your sink, your toilet, and then your shower area. And this is, I would say, pretty much standard for if you had to maneuver maybe a personal wheelchair in here. So maluwag siya. Then you have a pocket sliding door with a peephole that separates the ensuite and the bedroom itself. Okay, so basically this house really only has 2 floors. Parang extra na yung third, which you'll see later. But yeah, this is your main stairs. Easy to actually traverse. You have lighting on every step. And then from here, you just know that it's gonna be, oh, it's high ceiling. So as you reach the 2nd floor, yun na nga, tama nga, very high ceiling, very open space. And what adds to that feeling is the fact that you have these windows na para siyang bay window, but it doesn't have a seat. It's just like, it feels like an extended area just so you can admire the view. So you have this, you have another one over there. This one isn't protruding, but it does have a balcony. It kind of has a Juliet balcony. Na I just like to point out, from the front, of course, this is the facade. Wow, humangin yung buhok ni Jan nung binuksan ko to. I really like this. It's a very simple railing, pero ang ganda rin dating niya, especially from the front. I like how clean it is, but it still has some character thanks to this. Okay. Anyhow, obviously, all of this frames the neighborhood or the view of the mountains, right? So your living and your dining areas is just one massive open space that lets you hang out, take it slow, chill, enjoy the area, enjoy your dinner, enjoy your coffee, wherever it is that you're sat in this area. You do have high ceiling that accentuates that. And it's like, the ceiling also slopes. So yung mata mo, drawn talaga na tumingin sa labas. You have lots of lighting, so at night, this is gonna be nice and moody and dramatic, but not too dark because obviously the walls are white and the wood is light. Okay, so you have here your elevator access, and really you'll notice that it only goes up to here. So 2 floors lang talaga yung bahay na to, may additional lang. In front of this one, we have a common or guest accessible full toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your shower area, which has an awning window that will just let out all of the hot air. Wala na exhaust. Medyo high ceiling din naman eh. It's not gonna be a problem. And then from here, you have your family area or entertainment area, apart from the entertainment room downstairs, no? But this is just somewhere you can hang out in. And again, this is all just one big open space. And because the elevator is glass, kita mo pa rin lahat. Okay, so you hang out here, you have a bar here. It isn't very often that we actually have a full-fledged bar for literal entertainment, right? And then you have a kitchenette over here. So you don't need to go down to get some snacks or heat water for your tea or your coffee in the morning. And then you have a sliding glass door that leads out to the side of the house, so you can go back down to your carport or go back up sa taas, which again, you'll see later. Now there is another door here with another people, and this happens to be the primary bedroom or bedroom number 2. So you have this much space. So I believe kasama rin naman to, pero for scale, no? You can fit a queen-sized bed with end tables on either side. You have high ceiling, you have a central lighting, lots and lots of pin lights in different sizes. And then you have a built-in desk or vanity over here. Tas kasha pa yung TV. Then you have a window here that's almost floor to ceiling that lets in lots of natural light. And you'll notice that there's an outdoor area. But how do you get there? That was my first question when I saw it. Like, how do you get there? There's no door outside. And then I saw this, the wardrobe. It's just a wall. That's wardrobe. But apparently, this is where the ensuite toilet and bath is. So you have a walk-in closet here with lots of storage space. This is your vanity, your sink, and then on that section, actually pwede mo pala ito isara, no? Yung part pa lang na to, pwede mo na siyang isara. You have, which is considered the wet area. You have your toilet in the middle and then your shower space at the far end. And also notice how they put handrails here. So for safety. Talagang they had the elderly in mind when they built this house. And then from the ensuite toilet and bath, you have an exterior door that will lead to the balcony that we see from the bedroom. So, okay lang. So you actually do have a lot of space here. And again, you have a view of the front portion of your house, which is, actually from here, kita mo pa rin yung mga mountainscape eh. Kasi ang ganda rin actually ng subdivision nito because it has a lot of layers. It's super not one-dimensional. Kaya ang ganda yung tignan. So if you put some seating here, and then if you wanted to maybe have breakfast or whatever, prepare anything, meron din naman sink dito, as well as a service area, like corner. Let's go in. There you go. And that is it for the second floor. Now, before we head up, because I've been telling you that aakit tayo dun, diba? Make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Antipolo, pretty sure you would have guessed Antipolo to, diba? Because of all the rolling hills and mountainside escapes. Make sure to let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Okay, so one of the outdoor units, two of the outdoor units, four of the outdoor units are on this side. Tapos nilagyan din nila ng harang kahit papano para may decorative element. Okay, so climbing up here almost feels like it's a secret floor because it's not on the main, like you can't access it from the main interior, diba? Kailangan from the side. But this is actually where the swimming pool is. So it's a top floor, it's very quiet. You don't really see your neighbors, which means your neighbors don't see you. So you can have a very like chill time, like alone time up here. And you feel the breeze. You have your shower area here in the corner. This is a water feature, so there's gonna be water just cascading down there. And then from here, again, you have a view of your neighborhood. There's another outdoor unit here. Meron din siya. Decorative na, na bakal. Okay, so there's an exterior door here, and this one leads to bedroom number 3. That's right. Essentially, there's one bedroom per floor. So kakaiba, diba? Instead of one floor having all of the bedrooms, ito, isang bedroom kada floor. So originally, they wanted this to be a gym. Kasi katapat niya yung pool eh, diba? Tapos yun nga, mataas siya, may view, ganun. But they decided na, oh, you know what, let's just turn it into a bedroom. Kasi pwede rin naman since it has an ensuite toilet and bath right here. With your sink, your toilet, and then your shower space here in the corner. Now, this is also glass, just like that one. So you have a view of both the interior of your home, as well as the swimming pool, and of course, the mountainside. But yeah, on the other side of this, of course, yung part na yun is your wardrobe. But it's a nice room. It feels like sort of like a man cave, but instead of it being a cave, it's like a, well, okay, it's an attic. Parang ganun yung vibe, no? Sobrang liwanag. But yeah, if you didn't need this to be a bedroom, you could definitely turn it into a gym or whatever it is that you need it for. Actually, guest bedroom would be perfect because it is, again, right next to the swimming pool. Okay, time for a recap. But before that, make sure you check out these really, really nice. You know what? It's just nice. It's not just nice. Let's check out these B-rolls. Okay, so you have about 330 square meters of lot area and then 500 square meters of floor area split between 3 levels. We have 3 bedrooms, 1 per floor, and then 4 toilet and baths, a powder room, and then a shower area next to the swimming pool. And then you have a 3 to 4 vehicle carport. And again, included yung caddy. Kasi nga meron din namang golf course na malapit dito, so that might come in handy. Also included are the furniture. Of course, all of the fixtures and built-ins are also included, including the elevator. And yeah, everything, all of this in a mountainside mountainside subdivision. So you have an amazing view. It kind of feels like an Airbnb, almost like a vacation home because it's so quiet and because you have that view. Yeah, this is a very nice family home. And if you've been looking for property here in Antipolo, make sure you let us know. Send us a message. Go to our website, www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello.
If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.